In a magic square, each row, each column, and both main diagonals have the same total. In the partially completed magic square shown, what number should replace x? So what we can do is, you see, we have the diagonal here. Uh, so that's 18 plus 15 plus 11 plus 14. So 18 plus 15 plus 11 plus 14, and that equals 8 and 5, 13, 14, 18, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that equals 58. So the total of uh, the row, column, and both diagonals, the same total. So the same total that you get is 58. So if that's 58, then we can work out the other totals. So then we can work out this number here as 58 minus 10 plus 11 plus 17, and that would give you 58 minus 7 and 1 is 8 and 38, and that is 0 to 20. So we get 20 here. So if I write in black, so that becomes 20. And then once that is 20, then I can work out the other number in the column, that it will be, what is this number? That would again be 58 minus 18 plus 13 plus 20, and that would be 58 minus 8 and 3 11, 1 and 1 2 3 4 5 51, and that equals 7. So this number would be 7, and therefore then it's very easy to find out what x is, because x would simply be 58. Change the pen color. So x would be 58 minus 7 plus 16 plus 14, and that is 58 minus, that's 14, 4. So 16 plus 7 is 23, and 33 and 4 37. So that is 1 and 2 21. So we get x equals 21.